Alright, back out here at Lake Seminole Park, Seminole, Florida. This is, just did about 7 miles on the bike loop. This is a trail off the main bike loop. Small boardwalk here. Let's go see if we see anything. They're in heaven out here, right?
What's that?
They're in heaven out here, right?
Well, they love it.
This trail is kind of borders next to the bike trail over there. Lake Seminole Park, it's got a lot of, the lake itself has a lot of gators in it up on the north end of it. A lot of gators. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Huh? What's up? Muscovy ducks. I think the only ones that may love Muscovy ducks has got to be their parents. This is another, if you live in this area, this is another great place to come out after work for half hour, 45 minutes to an hour. Whether you're into biking, hiking, want to bring your dogs out for a walk. Aside from the bike trail being exactly 2 miles, this hiking trail here is about roughly half a mile, or so it's marked. But as you can see, you're right next to the lake. You're walking through, and okay, I thought that was a gator in the water, but that it would be a big log bouncing up and down a little bit. A bunch of townhomes on the other side of the lake, and nothing but woods on this side of the lake. You can access this trail on either end of it, on the north end from the bike trail, or if you want to just park your car at the most northern end of the parking lot. Then you can access it from there, and you can just start right from there and walk north, and then back, which will give you a good mile, a little walk. As you can see, we're coming up on the car parking lot here. So cut this off here, and we'll see you out at the next park and our next adventure. So we'll see you then. Take care.